So with the control panel, obviously I've currently got it plugged in, so I've got it on battery charger, so it's charging the batteries. That's why it's showing 13.5 volts. If I was to switch the charger off, obviously it's just getting the power from the battery. So when you're in a campsite, it's best just to have it charging the whole time. Also, another thing is, if for whatever reason your vehicle battery runs low, you can switch it to vehicle battery, and then it will charge your vehicle battery, and then you can actually get going. So that's quite good, but I'll just keep it on that for now. So storage, you've just got a little bench up here. I'll leave you little dustpan and brush. This is just a magnet door, so it's quite small, but you just open and close it like that. Quite handy. All of these other drawers, well, this one you put your finger in and go down, and then there's a latch. You've got some storage in here. These are all your blinds. They all either work off magnets like this one. It's quite simple, you literally just put the magnet on, which is quite handy. The front windscreen one is just little suckers like that. They just stick on the windscreen. So those are all your blinds. I'll just take this one off actually. So you literally just put it off, this magnet. So yeah, you can store them in there if you want. And then when you close it, it doesn't really just close. You got to put the latch, close the latch. So all these drawers. So this drawer, again, you put your finger in, go around to the left. I've left just like paperwork and various bits and bobs. Again, you just go like that and it opens. Same with this one. So this is, again, you've got like one big compartment down here, like this, and then obviously with the the Defender, I don't know what you want to call that, wheel arch, there's a bit of extra space down below. And then if you want, you can actually close that off, lift it up, close it off as you want, and then them again, you just close them. It goes quite far deep. They're much bigger than you think. Here you've got your water and your gas. Water, just make sure obviously your water pump's on, and then it just comes out. Switch it off. Water pump doesn't really need to be on. So obviously with the gas, you got the gas. Let's see if you can see, I don't know. And then, yeah, that's your gas on. Not sure if you can see it or not. That's it really, that's your gas cooking. That's low, high, switch it off. And you can just close it down. As you think. So these are the blinds. I'm just going to switch the heating off because it's not really doing much. So you just switch it off like that. Let me see how I'm switch it off. So switch it off like that. The fan will run for a little bit afterwards, obviously, just to get the excess heat out. So don't worry about that if it's still making a sound afterwards. Also can switch the gas off. These are your blinds, so you just hold both of them in, pull it down to there. So that's one option. Obviously that's a blackout blind, no light comes in. You've also got, so that's, and then if you don't want it, you go like that and then up again. You've also got another option to, without, if you don't press that, you can just pull it up And then you've got lighting, but you've also got protection from insects with this mesh. But I normally just do that. With the actual windows itself, you've got sort of 3 options. I'm currently in the middle option, where you can see this. So you click the button in all 3, like that. You've obviously got as wide as it goes. You've also then got, you see this is like on the inside, so that's it completely closed. And then I like the middle option personally quite a lot, because it's the window is still locked, like no one can open it or anything like that, and it just leaves like a centimetre